Okay, cool. Starting off, I think this is going to be a three-parter, actually. So started off actually from the last one. You got to watch the last one to understand where it's going from here. So as you can see, it's kind of half hot. It's not boiling yet. So sap is obviously its higher boiling point than just straight water. So this helps, I guess, in the description, and just because of the viscosity, I guess, if you want to call it. I think that's what it is, of the water. Now, while I'm doing this one, I guess I have no background in friggin' science. I'm just a curious, young-ish, retired ex-army guy that likes to ask questions. So that is, you gotta put that into account when I'm trying to compare friggin' boiling sap to black holes. You know what I mean? Like I said, the first one, open friggin' mind. Okay, cool. So you can kind of see I was doing it, and there's globs from here and there. So if you can kind of, if you know what I'm talking about, of solar systems and galaxies and stuff, you hopefully my representation is kind of making sense. So ultimately, it's like my question is, no, back in science, is physics scalable in that sense of the universe? Okay, cool. That I needed to get that out. That wasn't in the first video, I guess. So here we go. So this is half hot, not frozen like it was before. It's kind of half hot. So like I said, I'll do the same thing. Give it a swirl. There'll be less foam this time, kind of, but it'll kind of do the same thing. So you get it going as much as you can, kind of till it's that stable-ish vortex type of action. And you just keep it going. This is obviously going to spin longer because there's no ice in it anymore, so there's no friction between the water or the solution and the ice to slow it down, or as fast, I guess. You know, so it's still going. You can see it's going a little bit faster. It's getting, like, as it's going faster, it's kind of more symmetrical. You know what I mean? It's just, and that's kind of the way it is because it's not too turbulent. It's just kind of a good, clean vortex, I can see. But you can see, like, the same thing in the middle of that vortex. As it's slowing down, the foam gets a little bit higher. You know what I mean? It's almost a weird way, the same way, like, cripes, when volcanoes form or whatever, you know, or mountains form from volcanoes, not from plate tectonics. You know what I mean? Because they're just adding to the top and the stuff spewing out the middle. Maybe it's not the same thing, but whatever. I told you, I'm just a dumb ex-army guy that's curious. So you can see the same type of thing. It's making that spiral galaxy-looking thing. You know what I mean? So open mind, I'm curious. So with that, okay, end of video 2, I want to say. Okay, cool. If I swear, I don't really care because I'm just curious. So, okay, cool. See ya.